Okay, so let's go through some more lab equipment. So first, these are kind of a miscellaneous category. And one thing that we have is the watch glass. And this kind of looks like a gigantic contact lens, and it's made out of glass. So there's two main uses for the watch glass. The first one is to weigh solids. So you basically put the watch glass down onto your balance, and then you measure the solids out onto the watch glass. The other main use of a watch glass is to use it as a lid for a beaker. So if you have a beaker and you don't want anything to get into it, you can put the watch glass right on top as a lid. We also have funnels, and these are really helpful whenever we need to transfer liquids from one container to another, or if we need to filter out some solids and leave just behind the liquids. And this next category of equipment is things that are used for holding solutions or liquids. One really important thing that I want to point out is that we do not use these containers for measuring liquids. We have separate equipment for that purpose that is much more accurate. Even though these types of equipment might have lines on them for measurements, they are inaccurate and should not be used to make measurements. So the first one is the beaker. So beakers are really helpful because they have a big wide opening, so you can add or remove substances, you can stir them, lots of easy uses for them. But as I said, even though there's lines on the side, do not use a beaker to measure out liquids. Next, we have a well plate. So these come in different varieties. This is a 96 well plate. It has really little ones. You can also get ones that have bigger wells if you don't need as many reactions at once. So a well plate is used for microscale chemistry, meaning chemistry at a very, very small scale. The benefits of this, it's more cost effective, it's more eco-friendly because we're not generating as much waste, and it's also usually faster than doing big reactions. So well plates hold a small amount of liquid. They also make it easy to compare different trials because you can line them all up in a row. Next, we have test tubes. These are also used to react small amounts, usually a little bit more than a well plate, though, as they are bigger. We also have Erlenmeyer flask. These are used whenever we have a liquid and we don't want that liquid to evaporate. Because it tapers in at the top, the smaller opening at the top makes it easier to keep the liquid in and prevents evaporation. So for our cleaning equipment, first thing we have is a wash bottle. So basically you squeeze on the bottom part and out comes the hose is whatever substance is inside. Usually this is used with deionized, which is a type of purified water, and it can be used as a final rinse when cleaning glassware, or if you need to add water to a solution, you can go ahead and use the wash bottle for that. And the other thing we have is the test tube brush, and these come in many different sizes, and you can use them to clean all types of glassware, not just test tubes. So these are going to be kind of our handy scrub brush for whenever we're cleaning things. So thanks so much for watching. If you have any questions on these pieces of equipment, please let me know. Bye.